Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Denon receiver subwoofer not working. Base output troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check physical connections and subwoofer settings. Make sure the subwoofer is plugged into a working power outlet and turned on. Connect a dedicated subwoofer or RCA cable from the receiver's subwoofer output to the subwoofer's LFE or left mono input. Test with another RCA cable to rule out a faulty connection. Set the subwoofer's crossover control to its highest setting or switch it to LFE bypass mode. Adjust the volume gain knob to approximately the 12 o'clock position for proper signal detection. Fix 2. Configure the Denon receiver correctly. Press the setup button on the Denon remote and open the speaker settings menu. Navigate to speaker config. Set subwoofer to yes so the receiver knows the subwoofer is connected. Change the speakers Change the front speaker setting to small instead of large or full band. Save the settings and test the system again. Fix 3. Adjust bass management and crossover settings. Open speakers bass in the receiver menu. Set subwoofer mode to LFE or LFE plus main. Choose LFE plus main if you want bass sent to both the subwoofer and front speakers. Set LPF or LFE to 80 Hz or higher to ensure low frequency effects reach the subwoofer. Exit the menu and check whether bass output returns. Fix 4. Verify audio playback settings. Avoid using direct or pure direct listening modes as they can bypass bass management. Switch to stereo, Dolby Surround, DTS Neutral X or another standard surround mode. Open the channel level settings and temporarily increase the subwoofer level. Play a bass heavy movie scene or music track to test for output. If bass returns, fine tune the level to your preference. Fix 5. Disable audio processing features. Turn off dynamic EQ, night mode, and other volume normalizing features temporarily. Some sound enhancement modes reduce low frequency output to prevent excessive bass. Test the subwoofer again with these features disabled. Fix 6. Run Odyssey speaker calibration again. Connect the Odyssey setup microphone that came with the receiver. Start the automatic speaker calibration process from the setup menu. Allow the receiver to detect speaker sizes, distances, and subwoofer levels automatically. Complete the calibration and save the results. Test several audio sources to confirm the subwoofer is now receiving a signal. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.